How to contact Shopify support. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to contact Shopify support. So first of all, let's go to the Shopify official website. And all we need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page. At the bottom menu, you'll see the support section along with other options like merchant support, Shopify Help Center, hire a partner, and a few others. If you're a merchant and need assistance, you can click on merchant support. Or if you're looking for detailed help articles, you can click on the Help Center. But make sure to access the Help Center fully, you'll need to sign in to your Shopify account. Once you are logged in, click on Shopify Help Center, and it will redirect you to a new web page. Here in the Help Center, you can browse categories like Sell, Start, Manage, and Market, and select an option to find a relevant solution to your problem. Alternatively, you can also use the virtual assistant from the right side. Just type your question, and it will give you answers based on your issue. But if you still need more help, scroll down further, and you'll see the Contact Support option. Click on that, and now the process is a bit different than before. Instead of just using the assistant, you now have the option to chat directly with a support advisor. Just click on Support Advisor and proceed with your questions. And that's it. That's how you can contact Shopify support. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.